No one forced Mr. Campbell to drink. No one forced him to get into a car.
Now at 11, setup, sabotage, and suspicion. New theories surround the local shock jock trial, sending this case into a tailspin. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Wendy Ryan.
And I'm Jamison Euler. The focus now shifting from the radio hosts themselves to their legal teams. This distraction all sparked from the now highly suspicious drunk driving arrest of Todd M.J. Schnitt's attorney earlier this week. Our Ryan Raish was in the courtroom this afternoon.
Now, I'm not excusing his actions, but they set this thing up from day one.
You can call it the closing arguments, not for the trial, but for the sideshow that could derail the case of MJ versus Bubba the Love Sponge.
There's no evidence that anyone set anybody up.
All afternoon, after the jury left, both sides argued over what happened earlier this week. On Wednesday, police arrested the lead attorney for MJ Schnitt, Philip Campbell, for a DUI. The legal team claims Campbell was set up by this woman, Melissa Personius, a young legal assistant who supposedly bought him drinks and happens to work for the firm that represents Bubba.
Counsel, I invoke my right to the Fifth Amendment.
At least a dozen times today, Personius dodged critical questions like, did the Diacos send you to the bar? Did you convince Campbell to go drive your car after he was drinking?
I invoke my right to the Fifth Amendment.
The lawyers asked to see her phone to check her call history, but she claimed she did not bring it to court. What makes this even more bizarre is Campbell apparently left his briefcase in the woman's car after he was busted for a DUI. It's the big reason Schnitt's attorneys pushed for a mistrial.
Do you have any evidence that that briefcase was opened?
Sitting here, I don't know one way or the other.
On the way out the door today,
I don't want my big mouth to get me in any more troubles.
Both sides went their separate ways as the judge decided to hold off on a mistrial ruling. He says he needs more time to research.
It's like a South Park episode, and I'm quite frankly getting a little tired of it. But that's all I got to say, fellas.
Do you believe there's any setup?
No.
That was our Ryan Raish reporting tonight. The judge says he has serious ethical concerns about the firm representing Bubba the Love Sponge. That trial will resume Monday morning at 9 a.m.